I'm Matt in 1997 here to discuss about the new astronomy events of 2010. In this video I'm discussing about eclipses, lunar and solar. There will be 4 eclipses combined this year. Lunar and solar combined, 4 eclipses. That's a minimum, basically. If you combine them all, there can be as little as 4 and up to 10 if you combine the eclipses. So that can be as low as 2 for each, and there will be 2 for each this time. Solar eclipses, that's what we're going to begin with. Today is January 2nd, 2010. There will be an annular solar eclipse on January 15th. Path of annularity will be across Africa, all of Indian Ocean, well, not all, but, all the way across the Indian Ocean, and into China and northern India. The path of annularity is just like the path of totality in a total eclipse. It's very thin. So if the moon were closer to us at this time, there will be a total, but the moon is going to be closer to its farthest point away from us. So we won't get its umbra, we'll get its, I think it's called an anumbra, I'm not sure. And a partial eclipse will be visible all over Eastern Africa, Indian Ocean, all of Asia, Europe, and also South Africa. So all of Asia, most of Europe, all of the Indian Ocean, Eastern and Southern Africa. The eclipse travels quickly. Solar eclipses are quick travelers. So in any area in the eclipse will be visible for 11 minutes. But here are the contact times. The times when it begins and how long it lasts and stuff. So the beginning of the eclipse is at 4:05 universal converted universal time. I can convert times if you need it. U1, or the beginning of annularity, is at 5:13 converted universal time. All of it's in converted universal. Greatest eclipse is at 7:07. So the greatest eclipse will be at 7:07 basically towards the center of the Indian Ocean. The end of annularity is at 8:59, and the total end of the eclipse, this is where the eclipse goes out the door, is 10:07, all converted universal time. So if you need time conversions, I'll give them to you. So again, only visible for about 11 minutes over any given area in the eclipse. July 11th, 2010 will be a total solar eclipse. Path of totality. It's thin strip, just like the annularity, across mainly the southern Pacific Ocean. But it will touch a few of the southern islands of South America, including Cape Horn and stuff like that. So it'll be it's mainly an ocean eclipse. Partial eclipse all over the Pacific Ocean. It kind of approaches Mexico a little bit, but not quite. And all of the western portion of South America will see a partial solar eclipse. How much time do I have? Oh, I'm only on 4 minutes. Never mind. Contact times. All in converted universal time. The beginning of the eclipse is at 17:09 local time, converted universal. The beginning of totality is at 18:15. Greatest eclipse is 1934. The end of totality is at 20:51, and the end of the eclipse is 21:57. The totality will not be visible over land. The totality will only be visible over water, except for, there is an exception for the southern islands of South America. Eclipse will be visible for a short time over any area in the eclipse will be 5 minutes and 20 seconds. So over your area, you'll have to be out there, and it'll last for 5 minutes. It's a very quick. Alright, let's see. Alright, moving on to lunar eclipses. There will be a partial lunar eclipse on June 26, 2010. Visibility, all of the eclipse over the Pacific Ocean and much of Australia. The eclipse will be visible at moonrise over Eastern Asia and the Indian Ocean. There will be no visibility of the eclipse over Russia, Africa, Europe, and northern Canada. The eclipse will be visible at moonset all over the Americas, including the U.S. Alright, times in converted universal time. The beginning of the lunar eclipse is at 8:55. And then, let's see. The U1, that's the next contact time, 10:16. Greatest eclipse is at 11:38. Wow. Okay. Alright. U4, the next contact is at 13 o'clock. And 14:21, the eclipse is all over. So if you need time conversions, I will do so. Checking our time again. 6 minutes. Okay. We're in the 6 minutes. It's closer to 7. Alright. Then we have one more lunar eclipse. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Where is it? Well, that just stinks. Whoopsie. What's down here? Is that it? No. Where is it? Okay, not here. Not there. Not there. Darn it.